Step 1 is to grate the lemon zest. Grate the back of the lemon to get the lemon zest. That's what we are going to be working with. After that, we put the zest into a heat-proof bowl. Next step is to add the coconut oil. And then 2 capsules of vitamin E in this mixture. So here we will be using the double boiling method to get our lemon zest oil, and this is how it works. You put a clean cloth in a saucepan and add water. The heat-proof bowl containing the zest will be put inside of that saucepan. Just make sure that the water is enough, about a little above half. So once that is done, you put your pot on a low flame and heat until you see the oil boiling. Then you know that the zest is being absorbed into the oil. I added more oil because the one I put initially was not enough. It was looking very small when it started heating, so I added more oil to the mixture. Yeah, so here is what it looks like after heating it. Please allow to cool before you handle. Next, we'll be sieving this through a fine filter, mostly more cheesecloth, whichever you have. I used a lining material to sieve my mixture. So here the goal is to get as much oil as you can. You have to squeeze until you get out all of the oil for this. Wow, thank you so much. If you have made it to this point, please like my video and subscribe. Okay, so we are here. The making of the cream using the aloe vera gel. You can use any brand of aloe vera gel that you have or you want. I'm using my preferred brand here. Basically, we're going to be incorporating aloe vera gel in the oil or incorporating the oil in the aloe vera gel, vice versa, mixing it until it blends in smoothly. That's what this part of the video is about. So stay tuned so that you can see it to the end and look at how it turns out to be. Also, you can just keep adding the aloe vera gel until you get the consistency that you want. For me, I hadn't gotten to the consistency that I wanted, so I kept adding aloe vera gel until I got to that consistency that I wanted. Trust me, it's very, very light. It's not dense, it's not heavy, it's very, very light. So yeah, I had to use an electric mixer to get it to the smoothness that I wanted. If you have a whisk for baking, like I said, you can use that. Just the same way you beat your eggs, that's how you do this. But I needed to be faster, and so I used this to get to the consistency that I wanted. The effect of the electric blender made it hot, so you allow to cool and you see that the oil has separated from the gel. Just store your oil separately and use your face oil or body oil, and then we'll deal with the gel later. Hey, so if you made it up to this point in this video, thank you so much. I should pop some champagne for you. The gel just has to be stable and is good to go. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.